Introduce highlight features or overview summary for SHIQINHA Universal Dirt Bike Lightbar Kit. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include: super bright for smoother riding. The motorcycle Lightbar boasts a brightness of up to 2600 lumens, offering strong penetrating power. Whether it is a night or foggy weather, it can illuminate the road ahead to ensure your safe driving. Very suitable for off-road riding. Sturdy and durable, the dirt bike headlight housing is made of aluminum alloy, making it solid and lightweight, and resistant to deformation. Built-in LED made of great quality materials, which is energy-saving and can be effectively operated up to 50,000 hours. You will not worry about frequently replacing the dirt bike LED lamp anymore. Easy installation and use. The plug-and-play dirt bike Lightbar kit is easy to mount and connect, with the wires straight to the battery. Please note the positive and negative. The mini bike Lightbar with a simple function but provides a bright, useful beam of light. All the necessary components are included for you to finish the installation more easily and quickly. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.